This model kit review is of the Kawasaki Ninja, the H2R. It's a 1/12 scale model by Tamiya. Got some beautiful box art, as always with them. Different versions here of the bike. You can see the interior there. We've got the dimensions and some pictures of the actual bike there. So that's phenomenal. Let's have a look and see what we've got inside. Lots of things to look at. Let's start off with this one. We've got two tires, both smooth. We've got some wire mesh, lots of screws and screwdriver. There's our spring for the suspension, and we've got some poly caps and then tubing for brake lines and fuel lines and so on. There's always nice accessories there. Over here we've got cowling, front cowling with headlights there. Let's see if we can get this thing out. Open it from the back. Tremendous quality of molding there. Okay, next sprue here is this one with our wheels, and got front and back wheel here, radiator. Look at the quality here. Unfortunately, it looks like it for some reason didn't make it up. I don't know if that's intentional or not, but it's not joined together. It looks like it was rounded, like that was intentional, of our chain there. And all the different body frame parts there. Got some engine parts here in black, some tubes, and all engine parts. Here is our left and right handlebar with brakes. Look at that, beautiful. Okay, over here we've got the grey mold, grey sprue, and we've got our disc brakes there. We've got engine parts, lots of engine parts. We've got our frame, and the quality is amazing. Typical Tamiya quality. That's why these kits cost more. And it is our fork for the front wheel. Absolutely amazing. Okay, the last black sprue here. Got part of our rest of our cowling parts here. Got our fuel tank and all the rest of the cowling parts, mud guard and so on. Looks like you've got an engine stand here, or a bike stand. It's going to go onto this piece here to allow you to stand it up. Absolutely beautiful. Here we've got some chrome parts and exhaust and exhaust tubing. Lastly, here we've got some glass parts. Not a whole lot of glass needed on this. Okay, lastly we've got decals and some metal transfers. So let's have a look here at our decals. The transfers are just for the brand. Fairly nice decals there. And here are some details here about the bike. And then we've got our instructions, and here are the paint colors needed. Okay, we start off with the engine. This is nice, as it's a booklet. I'm going to keep them all together. More engine parts going on there, and then fuel injection. Don't forget the tubing there, and then the air intake there. We start to build the frame, and we attach that to the engine. Here's the stand for the bike, and we've got our rear arm, the swing arm, and the screws for the suspension parts there. And I guess that's why it's detached, so it'll go inside, and then you can kind of glue it together from there. Okay, we've got some rear wheel hub and brakes going on there. There's the wheel and tire. That's all then mounted onto the swing arm, and then the swing arm is mounted onto the frame. Here's the stand, and we've got the exhaust parts, and there's a water pump and radiator. So that's all then mounted, and shows you where to put the tubing, the hoses. Here's the front wheel and brakes going on, and the front fender as well as the front fork. And the wheels then attached with the brakes, and then the instrument panel and handlebars start to go on. There are the handlebars, and then shows you the brake tubing there. Okay, we got some of the air intakes as well as headlights. Now we start to put together the seat. And that all goes on to the back of the bike. We've got some cowling parts going on now, as well as the fuel tank. And then we start to do the instrument panel. That's all added on. The seats then added. Some additional pieces here, like the probably a brake or something. Side cowls going on. Lots and lots of parts, as you can see, and such a tremendous amount of detail. Okay, so we've got these little wings on the side. So this shows you the paint and decal guide here, and just an absolutely tremendous amount of detail. Absolutely phenomenal. So, wow, what a tremendous model.